What 6 steps for effective engineering education? Watch an example of how these 6 interactive tools are used to help students learn more about fluid power engineering. This demonstration includes a user-controlled presentation, spoken advice, text and video reinforcement, serious game challenges, simulation experiments, and interactive quizzes.
So now let's have a closer look at some of the tools we have. We start with the presentation. We do need to deliver the information, but by making it interactive so the student has control of the speed they go through the system, they will learn and retain more. We've got a sequence to step through here, or we've got sound. We can turn the sound narration on or off, and we've got a link to more information. If they find things particularly interesting, they can get to more information here. But again, some of the tools within this system, just to make it more interactive, to make it more engaging, they can scroll over buttons and it identifies with the arrows what that represents, or they can go over the arrows and find out what those equipments are. So that can be useful for a lot of systems. We can also navigate via the standard carousel. We can see here some smaller dots which represent a step through a game with arrows, so now you can investigate the different components and you get more information, text about them below. So we can step through or navigate with a carousel. The larger buttons, as I say, are key sections. So here we've got our information page where we can access external resources. So we say we can go to our simulation programs, some videos, explanations, or more text-based training, or our online quiz. But also we've got a game shown here by the question marks. So now we have to answer questions, and if we get them right we get a score, if we get them wrong we get a score deducted. So it adds a little competition with other colleagues just to make it more fun and more engaging. And if we go out to our simulations, this is really the key for engineering learning, is you allow people to operate equipment in a safe environment. They can operate or design, change loadings, build their own systems. So here we've got a nice little system. We can see if the valve's closed, the relief valve opens. We can also set up for the simulations. We've got a series of questions, so they can run an experiment, get a question, and then see the answer that hopefully they found. But at the end we need a test, they need a qualification. So here we've got our test module, and again that goes through and records their score, can be sent back to you if you need to know what's happening. These ones wrong, but there's a number of questions here. We've got questions that can work as multiple choice, but as a range of different types of question. So there's lots of opportunity. It's not just a pure yes or no answers all the time, which is quite nice. So if you want to know more, please come along to the site efatraining.com and have a go with some of our examples.